What's up, guys? What's up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Mom's Kitchen with the Boys.
Yo. Hello everyone, good to see you again.
And you've noticed we have like the selfie type of vlog camera again because we're the only ones at home, basically. So yeah, guys, today we're going to be doing something really short, popcorn, right?
Yeah,
Just have to make popcorn.
show you how to make popcorn. At least I know most people know how to do it, but some don't know. And you can actually make popcorn without using popcorn machine. So that's what we want to achieve in this video. Alright.
Okay, yeah, guys. As I said, it's going to be a very short video. So yeah, guys, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell icon so you get notified when we drop contents like this. What's up with you? If you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? What?
Please subscribe.
What are you waiting for? You like cooking, you watch the video, you not subscribe. Oh no, that's not fair. That's cheating. Anyways, guys, yeah, let's just get into the video.
Hello friends, welcome back. So in this popcorn, let's say popcorn business or popcorn cooking, or so we don't need much things to make popcorn. Just what you need is butter, you need your corn, you need sugar, then you need milk. Some people actually use vegetable oil, some too will use salt instead of sugar. Some combine it, sugar and salt. So today's video I want to be using butter and sugar with milk. As you can see, just 2 sachets of milk. First, I put my pan on fire while I add my butter. I've not done butter popcorn before, but I just want to give a try today. Let me see. Then you get your corn. Just like that.
Shouldn't you wait for the butter to melt before
You don't have to wait. Just pray it turn out good. I haven't done this before, like I said.
Yep.
So next thing, you close your whatever this pot you are using, or you know that actually initially I never knew you can use pot to make popcorn. I was only thinking it's only that pop machine. You leave it for about, I think it should take like 5 to take up to 5 minutes for it to start popping. So we'll be right back.
Guys, as you can see, it's popping.
Look at it.
Lovely.
Oh no, this is nice.
If I move the cover,
You know it will jump. So you just have to leave the cover there until it stops making the sound. You know that it's done popping. Hello friends, welcome back. So I think it's done. I want to open it now. I'm afraid. We made it.
See
God.
looks buttery.
Yes. Nice. So you just have to get your pan, your bowl, whatever.
It's still popping on fire now.
Yeah. All, not even one that remain. Everything pop.
I think I'm seeing the seed.
You're seeing seed?
Yes, look at.
Okay. But it really pop. This 1 and 2.
Now look at that one.
Yeah.
Can that see?
But it really pop.
Yeah, but most of them.
I remember
99.98 points. No, it's less than 99.8%.
One more. I want to use too much butter. To this butter.
Isn't too much butter? Is it, man?
What is it?
I'm just gonna start jumping.
I'm scared.
I'm not scared. I'm just being cautious.
Stop that. Especially this weekend, you can do this at home. The weekend, the children will say, "Thank you, mom." When you are watching video, you're watching your movie, you sit down.
How do you like popcorn with sugar?
Well, I like it with milk, little sugar with milk.
Yeah, I like it with sugar, milk, and put it there. I like eating biscuits, so
you leave it for about 4 to 5 minutes again. Yeah. You're good. So friends, let me show you something. This is it. This is the popcorn. So once you take it out from the fire, the next thing immediately you put, if you want to use salt, you add your salt immediately. You don't add much salt. This is sugar I'm using. This is sugar I'm adding. So because it's sugar, that's why I'm putting like two tablespoons. But if it's salt, just like this, just a pinch, you know, salt now, little. But if it's sugar, you can use like 2 to your taste, sha, because I know some people like sugar. Then you turn it while you are doing this, so that the sugar or salt will catch the
mix.
Not only mix, while it's hot, it will, the salt will absorb and it will enter to the this thing while it's hot. But if it's cold, you will not get a perfect result. In fact, some people used to add the salt while the popcorn is on fire. They will add it there, but the out result don't used to be that good, because it used to make the pot to burn. It can burn, yes, make it burn. So I don't want my popcorn to be tasting burn, so you just have to bring it out before adding my sugar or salt. See, very easy. You know, you don't actually need to use salt if you are using butter, because there's salt in the butter. All right, it's good.
See, while we are talking, this popcorn is here jumping in the frying pan. Hey, well.
We are done. This is the result. How do you see it? Today, this weekend, it's going well in my home. So now I'm just going to show you, pick one. I've not added sugar to this, so I'm adding little sugar. I'm not going to put much sugar, just little. Then I have my milk here with me. So if you have this popcorn, if you have it like this, then you know that you're not going to consume everything within that same day. Please don't add too much milk. Instead, divide the popcorn into 2 parts, like just as you can see. We are not putting milk into this. This is the one we are putting milk, so that we can finish. You know, milk now, when it breaks there, it's not really good. So just add it when you know you can finish it. Just that. That makes it very well. Just like that. So call your children, call your friends, call everyone. Movie time. Watch movies and we are eating this. Lovely. So that's just it. So simple as ABC. It's done. Let me try it. Do you know it really tastes good? I prefer this to the other oil, vegetable oil. I prefer butter too.
Okay, guys, as you can see, we've done the popcorn really short, really simple. Yeah, that's it. So don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. As I said, turn on post notification bell icon. So just again to get the drop new content. Yeah, do that. Yeah. Anyways, guys, that's it for this video. Stay home, stay safe, eat healthy,
and live healthy.
Yeah, we'll see you in the next video.
Bye. Peace. Happy weekend.